Now ready to race number 5, the favorite number 5, ang ating galing. And the race is on. It's a jump start beginning for Flying Hope, ang ating galing. And moving up by the rail is entry number 4, and this one is purely Kali King Aljun. Ang ating galing is now the leader by about 2 lengths, followed by Flying Hope in second. And racing in third, King Aljun, purely Kali, Marcus Wolf, Pilio second last, and entry number 3, Storm Play, is running at the tail of the field, back to the front runner. Ang ating galing by about 6 lengths, and Flying Hope in second, King Aljun, purely Kali fourth by Daryl, fifth, Marcus Wolf, second last Pilio, and Storm Play. And rounding the far turn, ang ating galing in full throttle by about 5 lengths, and Flying Hope remains in second, purely Kali, Danori inside, and King Aljun as they race the final corner. Ang ating galing by about 7 lengths, Flying Hope, purely Kali, King Aljun with the last 150 meters more to run. Ang ating galing by about 6 lengths, and during the last 75 meters, it's a scintillating run or start from finish. Ang ating galing, Flying Hope, King Aljun, purely Kali, Pilio, Marcus